fan of Kimchi. 안녕하세요. 오늘도 만나서 반갑습니다. And welcome to another episode of The Korean Chef. So today I have gone up to the hills and brought home some extra ripened fermented kimchi to make budaejjigae. Budae in Korean refers to the army. From 1950 to 1953 in Korea, there was something happening called the Korean War. And the American soldiers brought things like spam, something Koreans had never seen before. What? And this dish is so very special because it uses both American ingredients and Korean ingredients. Marries them together to create the perfect dish. 부대찌개를 같이 만들어 봅시다. We will start with the American ingredients. Half a can of spam, sliced up, 2 hot dogs, bite-sized and delicious, 3 slices of American cheese. I love it. And now, the Korean ingredients. A 1/4 cup to half a cup of soaked tteok, half a container of tofu, 두부, instant ramen, 2 scallions chopped up, 맛있는 버섯. You can use any kinds of mushrooms you like. I'm using these beach mushrooms and these oyster mushrooms. So in addition to those ingredients we just mentioned, we will be making a very delicious, a little bit spicy sauce. We will start with half a tablespoon of gochujang, Korean chili paste. We will add about 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, about half tablespoon of sugar, and we will be using some garlic, mayonnaise, 2 cloves finely minced, depending on how spicy you like your soup, 1 to 2 tablespoons of gochujang. We have added all of our soup base ingredients together. Oh, it already smells delicious in here. Now we are going to assemble the budaejjigae. It's really a melting pot. We will add our 4 cups of chicken stock. You can also use water. Put it on a medium-high heat and boil for 8 minutes with the lid on. I will add the final ingredients. The rice cakes, ramen, 그리고 파. We'll cook for 2 to 3 minutes on medium-low heat, and we will leave the lid off. And now for the grand finale, I will add the American cheese. 하나, 2, 3. 부대찌개 is finished. Shall we have a taste? My tongue is alive with the taste of budaejjigae. And my favorite is the soup. 짜잔. 너무 맛있어요. 네, 우리 친구들. I'm so happy that I was able to share a little bit of Korean history with you today. We got to learn that Korea had some hard times. Yes, there was hunger and there was sadness. But some very brave, very innovative cooks and chefs were able to use what they had to create a most wonderful dish that celebrates both Korean and American ingredients. I hope that all of our Woori friends will try this at home. 맛있게 드세요. 다음에 만나요, 우리 친구들. 안녕.
Subscribe to our YouTube page today.